Hi, this is Sandy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a project share of a envelope flip for a swap hosted by the Messy Mom's Life, Sue from the Messy Mom's Life, for April. This swap we had to create 5 envelopes with certain sizes. The sizes had to be 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, and 7x7. I used my envelope punch board to create these envelopes. The envelopes also had to be bound, and I used a binder ring for that. I used my crocodile to cut my holes, and I used eyelets to finish them off. We also had to include a tassel, a handmade tassel. So I watched a video on YouTube, and I'll link it below, and how to make a simple handmade paper tassel, and that's what I did. I also included a charm that I made from shrink paper using a lawn fawn dye, a male dye, and it says Happy Mail on it. You can't see it for some reason. My phone wouldn't zoom in and focus, but anyway, that's what it says. I'm trying to do a quick video because I'm getting ready to tuck this in the mail because I'm a little late sending it off, but hopefully she'll get it in time. The first envelope, which was the 3x3, I used embellishments that I had on hand, and I included some mini envelopes that the recipient can use to do whatever they like. They can decorate them or include them in Happy Mail, however they like to use them. We had to include some handmade flowers as well. So I used a flower die punch that I had recently received from AliExpress. I used on each envelope, I used the word stickers that came from the Dollar Tree. I think everyone has these sentiment stickers, but I really like them. They come in handy. This flower die is a daisy die, and I thought it was really cute in the white paper. I embellished the centers with some faceted bling from Stampin' Up. It really looks like a flower. Sorry, I can't get in real close, but it's textured. So that's what I used for that. To seal my envelopes, I used fastener tabs from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is very handy for crafty. They have really upped their game with crafty things to create. So inside I included 4 flower dies, or sorry, 4 handmade flower embellishments that can be removed from the acetate and used. They'll stick. Right away I popped them up on some foam dots I think I bought a while ago at Michael's. And we were required to include 3 flowers, but I made 4. Well, I actually made more than 4 because I really liked them. Okay, this embellishment is from Three Bird Studios. It's called Touch of Glimmer. Chipboard embellishment that I purchased from HSN. Ooh, probably in 2015, I think. It was a while. I've had them a while, and I'm glad I have a chance to use them. On the 4x4 envelope, I love this paper. This paper is from Close to My Heart, and it's called Happy Days, or Happy Day, I believe. And the sticker is also a Dollar Tree sticker, and the glitter washi is from, I believe it came from Michael's. Another requirement was to include 3 layered embellishments. These embellishments were created from butterfly punches and hexagon punch and nail polish for the glitter. I like using glitter. Dollar Tree nail polish for glitter. I use it. They have one with confetti. I use that also. It makes great donuts. But and I use these enamel dots that I purchased from AliExpress. Okay. And the next, I also had two 4x4 envelopes because I wanted to also include this these puffy stickers by Heidi Swapp. I got these at Tuesday morning. I thought they were really cute and the recipient might enjoy them. On the back of that envelope, I created a pocket where I also placed more cutouts from the Three Bird Studios die set. I'm sorry, embellishment set. In my 5x5 envelope, I included the required note cards. We had to include a set of 3 handmade 3x3 note cards. I made 4 because I already had 4 card bases cut out and 4 envelopes made prior. Thank you. I like to craft in bulk. So these things come in handy. But I used the cardstock to decorate the front of the card and a hello punch for the sentiment and a scalloped oval punch to hold the sentiment. I'm doing this with one hand. I'm holding the phone and recording with one hand, and I am opening the envelope. I'm like, you're getting good at this. On the back of the card, I have my sticker, and when you open the cards, they're pop-ups, and I used stickers from the Dollar Tree, floral stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I added a cardstock center so that you can write your own greeting. That was the first one, and this is another one. These Dollar Tree stickers, I was holding them. They're so pretty. I probably bought them probably in early February, and they were so pretty. I didn't really know what to do with them, but they kind of went along well with the paper, so I decided to include them. Making the pop-up cards was totally not planned. I just grabbed card bases that I'd already made and I decorated the front, and I didn't even look. And when I opened it up, I was like, oh man, you were making pop-up cards with these. So thank God the navy blue and white polka dot really went along with the color scheme. And those are envelopes that I created. I didn't use my envelope punch for those. I think I looked at a video on YouTube and got this design style, or it could have been Pinterest. I really don't remember because, like I said, I craft in bulk, so I can make things and set it aside, and that's how that was. I just happen to have them and they happen to match, so there they are. And there's card number 3, and here we go. This is card number 4, and I'm going to show you the pop-up mechanism there. Creatively cut out by hand. It's really simple. It's not hard to do. If you want to see a tutorial, I can show you one. That's my sticker. I put it on the back. I'm sorry, my phone was not focusing very well. But it says Sandee's Handiwork, handcrafted especially for you. Or Sandee's Handiwork Paper and Crafts. Okay, on the back of this envelope, I added another pocket and included more ephemera. This is the final envelope, the 7x7. I love this gold foil paper, and I just added some gold foil embellishments to go along with gold and white. Inside this envelope, I've included a stamp set from Close to My Heart called Celebrate with Cake. And it has different sentiments. You can use it for anniversary, marriage, birthday, and you can create cakes, stamp out cakes, and fussy cut them out, color them up, and utilize them in whatever you want, way you would like, the recipient would like. They can create embellishments with them. And we were required, another requirement was to add a pocket to the back of the 7x7 envelope and include a tag with your information on it. So I used a vellum envelope that I had in my stash, and I used a card that was included with the embellishments that I'm using from three birds. And I printed out my information and cut it out with a layered die set from AliExpress. I'm sorry, that's Three Birds Studios. I keep calling it Three Birds, Three Trees. And now I'm just flipping them back over. And this concludes my project share. I hope you like it. Sue, it's in the mail. You should have it. If you don't have it yet, it should be there by Monday. But anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. God bless. See you next time. Bye-bye.